Okay, number 2 asks us to do this. So first I'm going to find out what quadrant that's in. I go right 1 down it. So we're in quadrant 4 here. And I'm going over 1 and down root 3. So I don't need the negative for right now. And in polars, so I want to find out the r. So then, sorry, I've got 1 plus 3, so my r is 2. Then for my angle, I'm going to do the inverse tangent of y over x, so that's negative root 3 over 1. Make sure I have that right. I do. So root 3 over 1, again, we figured out that that was the pi over 3 angle, right? Pi over 3. So then if we're in quadrant, sorry, that would be the positive one. We want it to come out to be negative. So it's either going to be 2 pi over 3, or if I add another pi on there, 5 pi over 3. So give me 1 second, sorry. Okay. Hold on, Heather. Okay, game on. Sorry for the pause. So theta was equal to that. So theta, since it's in quadrant 4, is 5 pi over 3. So we have to express this location in 4 different ways. So it's going to be 2 5 pi over 3. I could say 2, but get there. So this would be, I go a radius of 2 and I move 5 pi over 3. Or I can go the negative direction on the angle. So that would be a negative pi over 3. Right, and then move 2 in the positive direction. Now I need different r's. So if I rotated only to here, but then went in the negative direction, it would be a negative 2. And that would be 2 pi over 3 that I rotated, because I'd be up in quadrant 2. And then I could, sorry, I should write it separately. So this one was what I rotated in the negative direction and then moved that way. This one was I rotated just to 120, or 2 pi over 3, but then I went in that direction, that negative direction. And then the last one would be the same thing, but if I rotated the negative way, I guess I could get to there. I rotate the negative way, and then I go down in a negative direction too. And so that negative angle would be negative 4 pi over 3, I think. Because that's negative 1, 2, 3, yeah, negative 4 pi over 3. That would work. You could also just rotate around more times as other options. So there's all kinds of options that you can use, but those are the ones I went with. Let's see, what's the next question? Maybe I can get a second question here. Convert into rectangle, show it to circle, and find the center and the radius of the circle. I'll do another video for this one.